Hi, Hun.
Hello.
How's it going?
I'm supposed to be watching the road
Where are you?
between Harlow and Judith Gap, Montana.
Between Harlow and Judith Gap, Montana, huh?
And it's April 21st.
It's April 21st, 2013.
You see the flashing. We're following a snowplow. Flashing lights. Headed to Seco, Montana. Here's the windmills. Wind turbines.
Yeah. This is we're getting near Judith Gap. Judith Gap is known for having wind power generation turbines, and that's them out there doing their thing. I think this thing has the ability to zoom, doesn't it?
Sure. Your volume.
Yeah, I've tried that. It doesn't do anything. Okay. More wind turbines up there. And we're following the snowplow. More wind turbines there.
Videotape yourself.
Pretty cool wind turbines. Looks like they don't care what the weather's like.
Well, I couldn't get my door open because the key was full of thick ice from the wind blowing the snow, and then it froze while we were eating at the restaurant. And I kicked the door to break the ice, but it didn't clear the lock. So I had to use Ernie's side. The wind wasn't blowing that way. So it's cold.
It's pretty miserable out there for the 21st of April in 2013.
And then you called your mom, and they said it was nice up there in Seco.
But it's nice up in Seco.
And Boise, but not in between.
Okay, well, I guess we'll log this as another video taken. Okay?
Alright.
What's that sign says?
Oh, it says
Gusty crossings.
Crosswinds.
Gusty crosswinds. Oh boy. We must be getting close to Judith Gap. Judith Gap.
Infinergy.
Look at all of the...
Infinergy wins Judith Gap.
Yeah.
That's what it's called.
They're
Infinergy.
beautiful. Many of them. Look at all of them.